Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery. I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Shannon. I'm a Spoonie, somebody who lives with chronic conditions, and I have several of them. I'm also a zebra, somebody with a rare or undiagnosed condition. If you want to know more about that, it's in the FAQ section of every video. I highly recommend checking that out because people ask me the question, so I started the FAQ section. I'm so glad you're here today. I hope we have a wonderful time together. Who knows what we're gonna do on today's video, but I'm so glad you're here anyway. Okay, so let's get started. Today we are looking at the Wee Woobly Bits bundle by the Woobles. So this little bundle here was $25. We're going to find out if we think it's worth $25 and would I buy it again? Let's find out. So inside this kit, we have a tin of safety eyes, a tin of stitch markers, and a tin of pins. And 2 scissors. I think that was a mistake. I think there's only supposed to be 1 pair of scissors in here, but I'll take it. So see, we got quite a lot of pins. Look at that. There's quite a lot of pins. So let's see. Yep, they work. There you go. In a cute little tin that tells you what it is. That's pretty cute. Got some safety eyes here. Let's find out how many safety eyes we have. We have 20 eyes, so we have 10 pairs. Hopefully we have the same amount of backs.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
And of course, we always have the bonus back, which they have even in the kits, so that's nice. So we have 10 pairs of eyes, so you can make 10 animals. That's cute. And again, the tin tells you what it is. You've caught my eye, so that's cute. Stitch markers. Got some fun, bright colors here. Look at this. So we've got some fun colors here. We've got a bright orange, a pretty turquoise, fun lime green, pretty purple, yellow, and a hibiscus pink. And that's quite a few stitch markers. I'm not going to count all of them, but that's nice. And last but not least, the scissors. So here's the scissors with the packaging on it. Wee Woobly scissors. So here's the one without. They've got a cute little protector. That's nice. And yes, they do fit in the tins. This is the tin that came with my Ravenclaw. Look, fits in the tins. And it does cut yarn. See if you can hear that. It's got kind of there's a little bit of resistance there, but honestly it does the job, so I like it. And it's got a little protector thing on it. I love that. And it fits in the tin. I mean, I'm giving this, gold stars all the way. So, is this worth 25 bucks? Yep. 100%. This is a great value for your money. And even if you don't get the extra pair of scissors, which genuinely, I think this was a mistake. I think they threw this in there and it was a mistake. So let's just say this is what you get for your money. Yeah. Completely worth $25. You get 10 pairs of eyes, a bunch of stitch markers, a lot of pins, and scissors, all in cute little tins. This has a protector on it. Yeah, this is a great value. I would pay for this again. This is great. In fact, if they have some of these, you know, around the time that I start Christmas shopping, I might get some of these for Christmas gifts. I think this would be cute. Let me know down in the comments, do you think the Woobles is overpriced? Do you think it's just fine? Do you have suggestions for them? Leave it in the comments. I'm very curious, and hey, they might see this video, so they might be curious too. So that's my thoughts on this little kit. What are your thoughts on this kit? Let me know down below. I would love to know your thoughts. Woobles kits are great, but they could be better. Give me a hook with this smooth coating that your specialty hooks use, not this generic sticky rubber thing. We don't have to have the fancy little print. Just give us this kind of rubber. Stuffing, obviously. Yarn, make sure there is enough to finish the project. That is an issue. Give us a tin of notions. Yes, a tin. Scissors, needle, pins, stitch markers, safety eyes. Inside, a cute little tin. Not this thing. Lots of stuff falls out of this. I don't like this. Pattern. The pattern's on the back of this. Now that's a good kit. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched this video all the way through, thank you so much. If you watch the ads, bless you. It does help my channel, and I'm so appreciative when that happens. If you would like to join the Yarn Zebra family on Facebook, we have so much fun over there. They get bonus patterns, they get to vote, they get to see things before you guys see them like months in advance. And they get all the secrets and all kinds of stuff over there. So if you want to join, the link is down below. Every single video, all you have to do is answer 2 questions. What do I say at the end of every video? Literally every video. And what do you love about yarn? Simple as that. That's all you need to do. If you're somebody who doesn't like social media, don't worry, I've got tons of content on here for you. But if you would like to join my Instagram, that is linked below as well. And I like to post little photos and do little shorts and stuff over there. And we just have a good old time. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate every single one of you. I can't believe my subscriber count keeps growing. I love you guys. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye.